know, now I see the Nueva Ecija roster. Actually, I was waiting for this to happen last night. It is an all-NCAA player. Right? Luxury sa Delft na yung depth ng team mo. Tapos pwede ka mamili kung gusto mo ba puro yung mga shooters or gusto mo ba puro mga defensive players.
Ryan Costello will take the three and make the three. Ryan Costello. MJ Ayay thought about it. Baba kay Magaliano and he scores.
Again, the value of Ayay. Nakapagpabata na sila ng lineup.
Oo, medyo they were on the more experienced side of Shaq Alanes. Puts it in. Costello back to Mocon. Jumper is good. Rojas banks it in for two. I thought that was a... Got that one to go nonetheless.
I was about to say that.
Kenneth Mocon gets going here in...
And sinilip ko yung bench sa Delft. So let's see this replay first.
The three-point shot of the game is brought to you by Extreme One-Stop Shop Appliances.
Yeah, may Chris Bitoon pa pala ito.
And JB Bayo scores 14-6. Alanes. That ball tapped away by Mocon. And Mike Wico nakakapasok lang. Scores again 16-6. That's his first basket.
Yeah.
Wico gets it from Bitoon. Mike Wico will get the roll.
Itong mag-host eh.
Last year, dami nating games dito as Marvin Lee hits the corner three. JC Colliar binigay kay Bitoon. Three-pointer. Pasok yan.
Makes it looks easy.
Dali eh. Well, the balance is there as Bitoon knocks down his second three. And the first quarter score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first.
Great pass.
Colliar nails the three.
And you know, once JC develops that, this is a guy's a homegrown friend.
Kent Lau banks it in.
Lucky break there for Bicolandia. In the middle, especially yung ini-employ niya na depensa.
It's a great shot by Kent Lau. 6 points in the ball game.
Bago raw ang kanilang grupo, and just like what people say, achieving great heights doesn't happen overnight. Sa Delphin Coach Louie.
Thank you so much, Andrea, and syempre, work in progress.
yung mga changes dun sa mga teams na natin nasa bottom of the standing last season. Yung pag-rebuild nila ng team nila, outstanding. Na-recruit agad to play for Terra Firma in the 3x3.
JB Bayo. That's a free lane para kay JB Bayo. RJ. Nahirapan siya doon. Delis on the second serving. 37-21. Halftime score is brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL. The first, not the kick out. MJ for three. That's good.
Again, yung manner ng
Wico quickly to Colliar. JC
pass
to Mike Wico. Dumaan sa gitna ng depensa. Kick out. Lordy. Wala. RJ Delis tips it in. RJ Delis.
Big raid, no?
Pag ganyan na klaseng goals. Gumaganyan ako minsan eh. And finally, Andre Doremdes puts it in for two.
Poole from his favorite players, Jalen Green and Jordan Poole. Back to you guys.
Maraming salamat, Andrea. Yan si Jalen Poole. Kailangan magaling din mag-basketball yan. Pero yung panoorin muna natin itong replay, no? Ganda ng action dito, pero Casajeros just left Mike Wico a free lane to the basket.
Oo.
He completes the three-point play. Mike Wico back pass.
Good move.
Rojas could not get the roll. Lordy found the basketball and he puts it in.
Points so far in this game.
Arenas knocks down the three.
Yan na. Second attempt to the basket.
Arena, the off-balance shot is good.
Ayun, fast break boys ba?
Ayaw ibigay eh. Oh, Cosejo joins a three-point per.
Transition defense ng Rice Vanguards.
And Lau gets his third triple. Delis makes his move. RJ using some English. Inamitan ng konting pektos. Naagaw pa ni Cyrus Larena. Oh! Coach Don Dulay will not be happy at the way 44-59. This end of the third quarter score is brought to you by GameX. The official
Advantage nga ni Coach Don Dulay, opportunity na mag-mix and match ng mga combinations niya.
Tama ka dun. That's JP Magillano. Steal by Cyrus. All alone. RJ for two. Magillano. Dondon Arenas.
What a move.
Wow. Used the...
Paagat pa rin pala sa gano'n, no?
And Marvin Lee.
Finally.
Is that his 69-43. Here's Shaq Alanes. Layup is good. And a chance to cut this deficit further para dito kay Shaq Alanes. Alanes already with 4 fouls but he completes the three-point play.
Na si Larena is resting right now and this guy will not.
And Magbuhos is ahead of the pack. And Vince Magbuhos lays it in for two.
They're already. So si Larena pwede pa siguro.
Magbuhos all the way to the cup. You know, it's good to know the friendships that have developed and have extended here. So, and space underneath. RJ Delis for three. Yes, sir.
Yeah, back-to-back three-pointers for
JB inside. Oh, no look.
What a reverse layup there.
That won't go. JB Bayo. Hook shot is good. JB.
Back-to-back baskets for JB Bayo. So,
especially in the first half.
Yung turnaround ng Bicolandia Oragos in that fourth quarter. And siguro kung sinimulan nila na mas maaga, baka dumikit pa. But again, credit again to the Nueva Ecija Rice Vanguards that showed team basketball led by this guy.
And of course, Mike Wico is our best player of the game. Brought to you by Buenas. Had to leave the game prematurely because of a cut sa kanyang forehead. 76-65. Final scores brought to you by GameX, the official online ending partner of the MPBL, the first and original online basketball ending sa Pinas.